Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to turn on AirDrop on an iPhone or iPad in iOS. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To enable AirDrop in iOS, open the Settings app first and then tap on General. Within here, tap on AirDrop. It should be about third down the list. On this page, you can change the setting from receiving off to one of the other two options to enable it. This will depend on who you want to receive from. If for some reason it won't let you select one of the other options and it's stuck on receiving off, I do have a quick fix to try. Head back to the homepage of the settings and choose Screen Time, then Content and Privacy Restrictions, then if this is already on, choose Allowed Apps, and then make sure AirDrop is turned on in here. And so that is how to turn on AirDrop on an iPhone or iPad in iOS. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.